Ka Federation of Adhoc School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTOM kala penbenaya karai ban mi surok ban penlong da kejing yakhi namar kejing bomla jong ke sorka ban kyntiew ya tulop jong ki nonghikai adhoc ha kejela habakaran ha kejing elang bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka artrik nailur u vice president ka FASTOM US Jungai ula ong baka federation kala rai ban penlong ya ka general body meeting ha ka khatlai trik nailur hatura west karo hills ban shim ya karai ka bakhaddu na ka benta ban penlong ya ki program jing yakhi ka ban long hasilong batura ula ong baka FASTOM kala dawa ya ka jing siu ka bakhamba bat ki weipat ki jing mentoy na ka benta ki nonghikai adhoc kentup ban kyntiew kerdan syaka deficit system jing penkiu ka basan persen shisnem bat ka jing penjelan ya karta syong thaj na ka hendrup ho syaka hendrup san snem ta ka jing penken mau ya ka bala ai da ka jing tho syau menteri ketenat pule puthi urakam e sangma nadu ka khanyo tarik leber arhajar afulai katkum ka jing ong jong ne unoyalam ka FASTOM ka tulop ka bementa jong ki nonghikai adhoc ka long nadu ka khatpra hajar tingka na ka benta ki lower primary arpu hajar upper primary arpu khandai hajar secondary life way hajar nonghikai science bat life ulai hajar ya ki higher secondary haba penpau ke jing sngo benyau halor ka kai pot jong ka Meghalaya State Education Commission ulaong ngilanang kermen baka State Education Commission ka balathung hau benai naitung arhajar arpulai kan penbet ya ki jing ka ba ki nonghikai adhoc ki ya kendu Henry ka kai pot ka bakhaddu bala IT syaka sorka kam syamla kentup ya kanu ke jing ai jing mut halor ke jing siu ya ka tulop ka bakhamba na ka benta ki nonghikai adhoc nalor kani ka federation kala IT ru ya ki bonteli ki dorkhas syah menteri rangba sembut menteri rangba menteri ketenat pule puthi bat syaki officer ketenat pule puthi Henry ka jing dawa ka jongki kampat syamla urlong ula benram ula penken mau ba ka jing penkiu tulop ba khaddu ka dei house nem arhajar arpuar hadin ka jing yakhi Henry kani kampat biang satya ban weng ya ki jing haki kam pisa tingka na ka benta ki nonghikai adhoc namar ka jing kiu dor jongki mar ki mata ula ong ru ngisyam jing shibun ban penyo ya ka pule puthi ka babha ya laki jong ki khun kikti kumju halor ki lat jing sumar na ka benta ki long ying long sem jongi nalor kata ula ong bawat la ki la penyo ya ka jing hikai ka babha tam syaki hajar ngut ki khna school Henry ki nonghikai adhoc ki mat ya ka jing ha ka liang ka jing shngai ha ka liang ka pisa tingka bat ka bala pensyam jing shibun ya ki bakin la ban pendap penbiang ya laki jong ki ying ki sem katkum ke jing ong ke jong u kala dei ka pore ki nonghikai adhoc bakin ya teli bat bandle ban dawa ya laki jong ki hong
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
FASTOM, that is Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, is a federation of schools which include all the ad hoc teachers in the state of Meghalaya, right from the lower primary, the upper primary, the secondary, the higher secondary, including the Hindi teachers and the science teacher. At present, in the state of Meghalaya, we have around 8,000 teachers. The main aims of the federation, that is FASTOM, is upgradation of all ad hoc schools to deficit system or to the pattern deficit. As an ad hoc teachers, we are facing many problems. The reason of this problem is the low salary that we receive as a teachers. For example, the lower primary school teachers, they are getting a salary of 18,000 per month. The upper primary, they are getting 22,000 per month. The secondary, they are getting 29,000 per month. Then the higher secondary, they are getting 33,000 per month. The science teacher, they are getting 31,000. And the Hindi teachers who are appointed in the secondary level, they are getting only 18,000. So the main problems we just want to highlight here in front of everyone faced by the ad hoc teachers is number one, is providing education to our children. As an ad hoc teachers, we have been providing education to the thousands of the students in the state of Meghalaya. But when it comes to the education of our own children, especially in higher education, we are facing the problems. Before sending our children to the college level, first of all, we need to know how much is the fees. Not we are sending our child because of the college or the quality of the college. The second reason or the problems faced by ad hoc teachers is the health crisis or the medical expenses. As other human beings, we also as ad hoc teachers, we fall sick. And when we fall sick, what happens? The one thing that we fear most is hospitalization. Once we are in hospitals, we are under depressed, whether we will be able to pay the medical bills or the expenses. And at times, many of the teachers, they have to borrow money from their relatives or trusted friends. And last, the main problems faced by the ad hoc teachers is that there are no benefits we receive after retirement. Many ad hoc teachers who have rendered service for 25, 30, 35 years, when they retired from their service, they retired with nothing. The only thing that we get as the ad hoc teachers when we retire is depression. That is the only main thing we get. Then in 2022, we got the last enhancement from the government. That also because of the agitation program. During that time, when we get the enhancement, we thought that this enhancement, it will provide us a security to the ad hoc teachers in times of crisis. But due to present increased rate of inflation, we can say that as ad hoc teachers, we really find difficulty to provide or to give good education to our children, or also to provide the good health care, we can say, to ourselves and to our family. In July 2023, the government of the state, they constituted the State Education Commission. So, on the part of the Federation, we appreciated the government for constituting this commission, with a hope that this commission, they will solve the problems faced by the ad hoc teachers. As the Federation, we went to the Commission to submit our suggestion, our views, and even met the chairman and some of the members of the Commission to highlight the problems faced by the ad hoc teachers and also to suggest remedial measures. But when the final report was submitted to the government and handed to the government, we are very saddened to know and very sad to know that there is nothing in the final report related to the salary improvement of the ad hoc teachers. Apart from meeting the members of the Education Commission, we have also submitted many memorandums, requests to the Honorable Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, the Education Ministers, and even the officials of the education department. We not only met them, we not only submitted our memorandum, but we also met them with a request to kindly improve the conditions of the ad hoc teachers. But at the end of the day, we can say that there is nothing on the part of the government to think or to plan what will the government do for the problems faced by the ad hoc teachers. What we can understand if we talk about the ad hoc teachers at present, there is only one thing we can say, that we are at present the most neglected categories among the teachers in the state of Meghalaya. So we wanted to pass this message to the ad hoc teachers, our friends. At present, we can say here that most of the teachers, nearly all of us, we are very depressed and irritated when we look at the present situation and the conditions that we as ad hoc teachers are facing. What we need at present is the unity of all the ad hoc teachers in the state of Meghalaya, because the only solution that is left for us, it is to go to the streets, that is to agitate. So because of the problems faced by we the ad hoc teachers and the adamant attitude of the government, the Federation will start the agitation program, which will be simultaneously here in Shillong and in Tura. The time and the date and the types of agitation to be taken by the Federation will be decided in a general body meeting of the Federation, which will be held on 13 September 2025 at Doba Sipara Playground in Tura at 11 a.m.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.